At least the Almighty knows. And your relationship with Him should make you smile. Oh my Lord, I'm struggling, I'm trying, I falter from time to time, I slip and slide from time to time. Forgive me, strengthen me. I know I've got to get to you. I know there's so much that I need to correct. With your help, your love, your care for me, I will keep improving as the days pass. And I trust you to love me and to guide me, to strengthen me in a way that when I meet you one day, you are pleased with me. Who made you? Allah made you. He knows you personally. He knows your struggles. He knows you're a human. He knows your weaknesses too. He knows how you fall and falter. He knows how you may sin. That should not make you feel for a moment that He's no longer your Lord. That should not make you feel for a moment that you are so distant from Him that there is no hope. No, there is hope. There is always hope. But think about it and do something about it.